Good morning students. Today we are going to learn 1.4 Revati's musical plants. We know that everyone likes to listen the music. Like that here, plants also like to listen the music, and this invention was made by Revati. Now, how she did this we can see in this lesson. Revati was a student of music. She was happy playing on her violin whenever she was free. Now that every student or everyone have some different hobbies. Some are interested in playing games, indoor games, outdoor games, drawings. Like that here, Revati, she was fond of music and she was like to play it on her violin. Whenever she getting a time, she was using that. There was a small open courtyard in front of her house with a small cement bench. Now, in front of her house, there was a garden. Courtyard means here garden. And whenever she getting a time, she was sitting on the bench and she practiced on her violin. There were a few potted plants in the courtyard, and in that garden there were some potted plants. While playing on the violin, one day she noted a pot of balsam plants near the wall. And one day what happened? While playing the violin, that time she noticed that some plants growth was stopped. They became very pale. They had pale green leaves and their growth was stunted. Means their growth was stopped. Stunted means here the growth stopped or the slow down. She remembered she had learnt in the lower classes that the plants need light for normal growth. And that time she remembered that in her previous classes she learned that for growth of the plant need a sufficient sunlight. And so she shifted those pots in the center of the garden where the sufficient sunlight was coming. While shifting the pot, an idea struck Revati, and while shifting that pot, one idea was struck in her mind. Why not participate in the best plant contest, which was to be held in her colony a few weeks later? And that idea was that in her colony there was the contest of the best plant, and she thought that she also want to participate in that contest. Then and there she decided to participate. Thus, making up her mind, she watered the plants and sat down on the bench and started playing her violin. And in this way she decided to participate in the contest, and so she started to taking care of the plants. She watered the plants and then she sat on the bench and started to playing on her violin. She was very fond of rag Mohanam. Now Mohanam, there are different rags in the music and Mohanam is one of that. And she was fond of that rag Mohanam and she played the rag for some time and then went in her studies. And sometimes only she played on the violin and then she went for study. Every day, Revati would sit on the bench and watch her potted plants, and in this way, every day she was sitting in the garden and she started to watching her plants. They were growing well and looking healthier than the other plants in the far end of the courtyard. And which plants she kept in the middle of the courtyard, those plants were looking very healthier and well, other than the other plants. One day, as she was playing, she noticed a movement in her potted plants. And one day, while playing on the violin, she observed that they were slowly moving their stems, bending slightly towards her. And she observed that the stem of the plants were started to bending towards her. She wondered why they were moving as there was no breeze. And that time, when she was observing this, there was no breeze. And because of it, she wondered. It struck her as odd and it was looking as something, it was very strange for her. The next evening too, she played on her violin as usual and watched the potted plants with care. And in this way, the next day, she again noticed that the plants, after some time, like the previous day, there was a definite movement in her plants. And what was occurred in the previous day? That without breeze, the stem of the plant started to moving towards her. Like that again occurs. After some time, like the previous day, there was a definite movement in her plants. They all bent towards her. This astonished and surprised her. That day also there was no breeze, and that there was not breeze, but also the wind was not moving, but also the steams were started to move, bending towards her. Revati sat on the bench and played a different tune, one with quick rhythm. And then Revati sat on the bench and she started to playing a different tune on it. She suddenly saw that all plants turned away from her as though they did not like. And that time she observed that when she was playing another rag, that time those steams were moving away from her, and when she started to playing a Mohanam rag, that time immediately they started to bending towards her. Means that rag was favorite for them. And the plants slowly straightened themselves and bent towards her. Her surmise became a certainty, and in this way, something is true. Something is true that those plants also like to listen some tunes. Her plants loved to hear her favorite tune, and in this way that Mohanam was her favorite tune, and that favorite tune liked to listen to that plants. She kept the knowledge a secret, and she kept that knowledge as a secret she not want to tell to others. She did not tell anyone, not even her mother. There were only a few days left for the prize distribution, and in this way she decided to participate in the contest, and a few days remained for the prize distribution. To her great surprise, Revati found her potted plants not only taller and healthier than other balsam plants, but that they had started flowering a few days earlier than the other plants. And then she was a great surprise that which plants she kept in the center of the courtyard, they had started to flowering a few days earlier and than the other plants. The flowers were big and brightly colored, and one of the plants had an unusual kind of flower. And those flowers they were becoming big, colorful, bright, and one was different from that other plants. The flowers were mauve with white streaks. Now the flowers on that flowers there were the color of the flowers were as purple color, and on it the white strips were there. And that evening she knew she would definitely get the prize, and then she thought that if I kept those plants in the contest, then I will get a prize for the best plants. She went to bed dreaming of her plants and the new type of flowers, and in this way she was thinking like that, and then she was slept. The next day was the all important day. Now the next day it was very important day for her. Why? Because of that the contest was there. She got up in the morning and went straight to the courtyard to see her plants, and then she woke up in the morning and she went in the courtyard to see her plants. Revati blinked for a few minutes, and she again and again making the movement of her eyelids, and then she observed that there was neither the pot nor the plants. She looked to see if someone had moved the pot. Then she started to seeing that plants here and there. Then she asked her mother. Her mother said she knew nothing either about the pot or the plants. Then her mother she answered that I didn't know about the plant or the pots. Some of the neighbors had been to their house the previous afternoon, and before that previous afternoon some neighbors were came there in her courtyard and had remarked at the beautiful flowers and healthy looking plants in the pot, and they saw that beautiful flowers, and they gave a remark about it. But later she had been busy inside the house and had been not to the courtyard. And then after that her mother, after the neighbors went, then her mother also went inside, and they had been not to the courtyard, means she didn't know about the pots and plants. Now remaining part we will see in the next